Start. The NDC is a political body and that is its strength. Stop. Here we are gathered in this room representing a diverse set of political backgrounds, views, and ideologies. Stop. However, we are all, I believe, in agreement that economic development and the prosperity of every citizen is a collective national goal. Stop. Over the last 2 days, I have heard this resonate from every speaker, and it is heartening that political differences will not come in the way of achieving our common objective of building a prosperous, inclusive, equitable, human, caring, and just India. Stop. While we have noted each and every suggestion made by the chief ministers and will take due note of them, I would like to dwell of them. Stop. A number of chief ministers have expressed concern about issues relating to state finances, particularly the effect of the recommendations of the 12th Finance Commission, the level of permissible market borrowings and interest cost on borrowings. Stop. Some have raised issues related to mineral royalties and externally added projects. Stop. The finance minister in his intervention has touched upon these, and I believe that he will work to allow any apprehensions that may exist. Stop. Healthy state finances are as important as healthy central finances, and fiscal prudence and stability must be our joint endeavor. Para. Agriculture and irrigation have indeed been a common priority in all chief ministers' interventions, and rightly so. Rejuvenated our agricultural credit system, providing some measure of relief to farmers, improving the quality of our extension work, attending to the specific needs and problems of dry lands and wastelands, and enhancing investments in irrigation have emerged as common concerns. Stop. Given the importance of this sector, I believe that we would give focused attention to this subject by constituting a subcommittee of the NDC, which could submit its reports within the next 6 months for inclusion in the approach paper to the 11th 5-year plan. Stop. I propose, therefore, that we agree to the formation of a subcommittee of the NDC for drawing up implementable action plans in agriculture and related issues. Stop. With your approval, I will constitute this subcommittee immediately with the agriculture minister as chairman so that the work can begin in right earnest and we can benefit from their wisdom while framing the 11th plan for our growth oriented economy of the future as such.